In today's video, I am going to teach you how to force dark mode on any website in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. We are going to walk through the browser settings so you can switch to a darker look that is often easier on the eyes, especially in low light. This is a simple change, and it only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, find and select Settings. This will open the main settings page for the browser, where you can customize how Chrome looks and behaves. In the settings page, look for the Appearance section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see Appearance listed in the left sidebar, or you may need to scroll a little to find it. Click Appearance to open the display and theme options for the browser. Inside Appearance, look for the option related to theme or mode and choose Dark Mode. Once you select it, Chrome will apply a darker interface. This changes the overall look of the browser and can make browsing more comfortable if you prefer a less bright screen. If you are using Microsoft Edge, the process is very similar. Open Edge. Click the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Settings, and then find the Appearance section. From there, choose the Dark Theme or Dark Mode option to switch the browser to a darker appearance. Keep in mind that this setting changes the browser interface itself. On many websites, that also improves the overall viewing experience, but some pages may still keep their original design. Even so, using dark mode in the browser is a quick way to create a more consistent and comfortable look while you browse. If you ever want to switch back, simply return to the same appearance settings and choose a different theme. That makes it easy to test which option feels best for your eyes and your workspace. That covers everything you need to know.